So mamaya na po yung laban ng Gilas Pilipinas at Italy. 8 o'clock po yan sa Araneta Coliseum. At yun totoo, gusto kong maniwala. At gusto kong maniwala na may himala na manalo po tayo. Well, kung aasa po ako kung mananalo tayo ngayon, actually, mas umasa ako dun sa Angola at saka sa Dominican Republic. Pero ang tanong, may pag-asa ba talaga tayo at kaya ba natin manalo against Italy? Let's look at the history at ano po ba talaga ang dapat mangyari sa akin pong palagay, sa akin pong opinion at sumali po kayo sa comment section kung ano po yung opinion nyo para manalo tayo mamaya.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Shoutout po sa Sports Plus PH for sponsoring this video. And as a basketball fan, medyo syempre malungkot tayo dahil 0-2 na tayo. Ito po yung current standing. Tayo po yung pinaka-bottom sa Group A. So, surprisingly, Dominican Republic, we're expecting na Italy ang mag-number 1 dyan. And then Angola, tayo sila, and then the Philippines. So, just a quick scenario po, pag natalo natin ng Italy, pag tinambakan natin ng Italy ng at least more than 13 points, at kailangan po matalo po ang Angola. Kailangan mag 3-0 yung Dominican Republic para maging 1-2 sabay-sabay lahat na 1-2 para mag triple tie at quotient system ang mangyayari. Pero ang hirap umasa na maraming uncontrollable things. Yung controllable things nga medyo mahihirapan pa tayo. So let's look at the statistics first, no, para po meron tayong basihan sa ating pong opinion. Ito po, no, let's look at this muna. Ito po yung past games ng Gilas Pilipinas at ng Italy. So win-loss and loss-loss, no? Not bad. I mean, para sa Gilas Pilipinas, I mean, di naman kayo ganoon tinatambakan eh. Pero siyempre, winning is winning. It doesn't matter if it's tambak or close. Maganda sana kung win yun eh. And then, this is the comparison between the two. 45-43%, hindi naman nagkakalayo. Ang problema po, the head-to-head, the history po of the two teams, kung titingnan nyo po dyan, back in October 10, 1978, lumaban po ang Pilipinas sa Italy 112-75. At back in 2009, August 31, nako close parang ganun din eh. 108-62, pero tinatambakan po tayo ng Italy. And for a reason, magaling naman talaga yung Italy. Ngayon, paano po tayo mananalo dito? Real talk, parang again, don't get me wrong po, no? I want Gilas Pilipinas to win, but I also want to set the right expectations po sa ating mga followers, sa ating mga fans. Being a basketball fan, I want to hope, but I expect the worst that could happen in the basketball game tonight. Totoo lang po. Alam ko lahat tayo gusto nating manalo. But against Italy, dito pa ba tayo aasa na manalo? Sana manalo. Pero para manalo, I don't think we can do the same thing that we have been doing. Jordan Clarkson is great. We want him to score. But if we center the play and if we have broken play at puro impromptu or yung tayo yung mga players ang gumagawa ng paraan para magkaroon ng shots, we're not gonna win. And yun yung totoo. Yun yung masakit ng katotohanan. Napanood ko nga yung reaction ng PBA Moto Club. We need a point guard. Cannot be Jordan Clarkson. Pinapagod natin si Jordan Clarkson and that's why he is inefficient. Again, hindi ko i-blame si Jordan Clarkson but the system really looks like the system is the problem. Yun yung mahirap talaga. So, himala, prayers ang mangyayari. Kung manalo tayo sa Italy, good. Pero meron pa tayong isang inaabangan na kailangan matalo. Ang hirap naman na ipagdasal natin na matalo ang Angola, di ba? Parang hindi maganda. Kumbaga, we're already back against the wall. Manalo matalo dito, I mean, you wouldn't say it's a success because yung mga expectation natin eh. And for Italy to lose twice, parang mahirap makita po. So, yun po yung katotohanan dyan. Siguro, pag umabot ka dito sa dulo, magkakaroon po ako ng live commentary discussions habang naglalaro po sila. na watch party, and then after that, yung reaction natin sa laro. Medyo kailangan natin talaga ng himala. Siguro, I want to ask each and everyone to be honest with me sa comment section kung ano pong nakikita niyo yung mangyayari. Matatambakan ba tayo o matatambakan natin? Kasi kailangan tambakan ang mangyari. I think it will be a close game. Hopefully, it is a close game para at least naman dignity man lang, no? Para sa Pilipinas because that's Italy. Pag natambakan pa tayo, siguradong naawa din naman ako kay Coach Shot, but I think it's time for us to really change. And a lot of people has been calling this for a while now, for a long time now. So, but I still want to support Gilas Pilipinas and supportahan po natin hanggang sa huling segundo. Let's wait for the FIBA World Cup to end before we say a lot of things. But mamaya kita tayo. Anyway, anong predictions nyo sa laro mamaya? Okay? Salamat po, and again, shoutout po ulit sa Sports Plus PH. Just look at the comment section to register po.